So, hello mga kasari. So, ayan yung aming family bonding ng aking family tuwing Sunday. So, after church, ayan, kumain muna kami dyan sa Nono's Comfort Kitchen and Bakery dyan sa SM Bikutan. So, located lang yan sa bago nilang annex building. So, ayan guys, kumain muna kami dyan. So far, so good. Masarap naman ang kanilang food. So, i-try nyo na. So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Thank you for watching. Yun.